Strafford Construction. We're here at 12905 South Cypress Lane in Palos Heights, Illinois. Going to perform a repair plan test this tap right here. Sorry about that. Make sure we're still recording. Okay, I should pull right out. ITEL estimation had PDF Royal Sovereign and a charcoal. It's just high enough to get my hammer underneath there to get the nailing strip for a proper installation. Complete. Off the bat, we can definitely see this is a grossly mismatched color. Now let's go ahead and look closer, identify if we have any consequential damages. So taking a look, coming in here, we can definitely, you know what, I'm gonna try and get my angle better over here, but you can definitely see the creasing here. Creasing across the top of the shadow kind of bad here. This one is really bad. See that? Once again, this one. Well, that being said, due to the consequential damages, now I'm gonna have to go ahead and we'll try to move one up, see if we can avoid these damages, but otherwise, and obviously you can tell the color once again, so we'll move one up and see how this goes.